Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to screenshot on Snapchat without giving the person any notifications whatsoever. And this does work on iOS and Android, so whatever phone you're on, this will work great for you. Now obviously the easiest way to do this is just to use a different camera, whether it's on your tablet or another phone, just to take a picture of your screen. That's the easiest way to do it, but if you don't have that option, this is the next best thing to ensure that they don't get any notifications if you're looking to screenshot the picture. So all you have to do is head over to Snapchat. And I'm actually just going to take a quick picture of my iPad here and just send it over to my other accounts so you guys can see how this works. So let's go ahead and do that now. And then I'm just going to go to my other account here. And I'll show you guys what your screen looks like at least, which is just the Snapchat that is there sitting waiting to be opened. So as you guys can see here, I have the Snapchat just sitting here waiting to be opened. So now what you want to do here is you just want to ensure that you're in airplane mode. So whether you're on Android or iPhone, just turn your phone to airplane mode. And just ensure that your Wi-Fi and data is fully off. And then once you're there, you want to go over to the photo and open it up, and you could just take a quick screenshot. And then once that's done, you need to exit out of the Snapchat application, and you actually have to delete it entirely. So we can just delete the application there. Then we're going to head back over to our App Store, but first we obviously just need to turn our airplane mode back off. And then we can open up the App Store here. And then we're just going to want to re-download the Snapchat application, so we'll go ahead and do that. And when it's just downloading there, I'm going to show you guys that I do indeed have that screenshot right here just from 11:40, and it's 11:41 in the top left of my phone. So this is the screenshot that I just took just to show you guys. And we'll just give Snapchat another second here. All right, so once we have Snapchat open up here, we can just relog back into our account. So we'll go ahead and do that. All right, so once you are opening on Snapchat now, you can just go ahead and click on your chats. And as you can see there, the Snap has not been opened yet. Meanwhile, we do have the screenshot. It's really, really easy to do. A little bit of a pain if you are annoyed at having to re-download and stuff for the application. But if that's not a big bother to you, then this should be a great trick for you to use. I really hope I was able to help you guys out with this video. If I was, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.